Okay, I am going to be pressing some of the crew socks from Coney Island Transfer. They come with the jigs already pre-inserted in them. The bottom feet are cotton, so the black portion is a cotton foot, and you will get this template for the front and back. I am going to press them at 380 for 50 seconds. My press does run hot, so ignore the temperature it's actually reading. I am going to just press one sock again to be able to demonstrate how you would press them. I am going to use Condi Pro Spray. And this part is the top part of the foot here. And then these are crew style. And then we will lay down a piece of butcher. And then one on top. And we'll press medium pressure for 50 seconds. Okay, we have just a couple seconds left, and I use either heat gloves or these are actual silicone mitts that I will use to give it a little turn. Beautiful. I'll turn it this way so you can see. Now, we don't really have to turn the bottom portion, the feet, because these have the black that semi wrap around the front, which is awesome. You can barely give a little roll. You do not need much of one at all. And then we will take our template for the back side, give it a spray. What's nice about these socks, you'll be able to see once I'm done, they will be labeled with the size, which is excellent and comes in handy if you have quite a bit on hand. And again for another 50 seconds. Okay, not much longer, and we'll get our mitts. You want to pull them off of the jig when they are hot. Nice. Very nice. Your sides have the color. Very nice. When you stretch, great quality.